รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการสำหรับเด็กผลิตขึ้นเพื่อผู้ชมในวัย 6-12 ปีอาจมีภาพเสียงหรือดนตรีประกอบซึ่งใช้เฉพาะในการเรียนการสอนเท่านั้น
Hello everyone, it's me Teacher Asad back with my third video of today, and I'm sorry for the last week I could not upload a video because last week I was absent as I was sick. So for this week you will have homework which will be for the last week and this week also, so you will have some extra work to do, and our first unit going to be finished, and I will review first, start over again and check what we study in the whole unit. So are you guys ready for that? I hope you do. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, so this is our unit first unit, the basic technology. Remember, we started with the first topic is basic technology. Okay, so this was first video and we study about what is basic technology is about. Anything that makes things easy for us, what we wanna do, anything like cell phone, washing machine, laundry machine, fan, anything that make things easy for us. So this is a technology and this was our first video, remember, but we're gonna study in this book the one technology which is computer. All right, so there is a computer we study about, and here is the first topic, the circle, the pictures of technology. What is technology? Cell phone, computer, laundry machine, traffic light and tablet. All right, and now then we had first topic was digital devices. All right, what digital devices we're gonna study about? Desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone, printer. All right, these are digital technologies. All right, but we're gonna study in this one is computer. Okay, and in computer we're gonna study about first the parts of computer. Okay, monitor, CPU and keyboard, mouse. All right, I hope you remember this thing. All right, and the next one we had basic computer skills. The basics of things that you have to do on computer is what, how to turn on computer and how to turn off computer, start computer and turn off computer. Okay, let's see. Number one, just click this one. Number two, click the monitor power button and it will start. And then how to turn off computer. All right, just click on Windows, click on the power button, and then number three is click on shutdown. This is, and number four, just click off the monitor. All right, so this was, and you had activity to do. This is your activity before that. I hope you finish your work. And this monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. All right, okay, the activity 1.2 was matching each part of computer with its function, and I hope you have done it. And the next activity was how to turn on computer. Number one, plug in. Number two, click on power button. Number three, click on power button on monitor. All right, and turning off is the same thing I told you. And then we study about basic software. All right, the first one, word processing program, which was Microsoft Word, and it has different parts: control button, title bar, menu bar and toolbar. All right, okay, and the fourth one is, this is the working area. All right, and same like we have a presentation program, and that was a PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint, and it has the same thing: title bar, control bar, menu bar. Okay, and it has slides pane on the left side. It has a slides and slide area where you work. Okay, graphic program, it's a paint that you can drawing a picture. All right, and the basic skills of Microsoft. Today is activity. We're gonna start with activity 1.6. This will be your homework starting from here. Okay, this is gonna be your homework starting from activity 1.6. all right, okay. So the first activity we have is what it's saying. Look at these images, put each of them in the correct folder by writing it in the blank below. Alright, so where is the blanks below? Okay, the first one we have lollipop. Number 2 we have dog. Number 3 we have refrigerator. Number 4 we have a cat. And then we have a dolphin. Number 6 we have fan. Number 7 we have a cake that I like the most. And then the last one we have a donut. Alright, okay. So these are file folder. Number 1 sweet. Number 2 animal. Number 3 is tools. Okay, sweets. What you eat, that you eat is sweet. Something is number 1 is lollipop. Where is lollipop? This one. Okay. Number 2 sweet is a cake. Here is a cake. Alright. And then we have donut, sweet. Alright. So here is we have donut. Okay. Animal. What is the animal? The first animal is we have a dog. Okay, and then we have a cat. We have a cat. Number 3 we have dolphin. Okay, tool. What tool we have? Refrigerator. All right, ref. We can, the short form is we call is ref, and the long form we have is refrigerator. All right. And number 2 we have fan, patlum. Okay, so now after this we have another activity for you guys, is activity 1.7. all right, with this one what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your name and then your age and then your address. Okay, I make sure you will write in English. Okay, Pathankrit, don't write in Thai so teacher can understand. Alright, and then after that close this file and save. Okay, click save. Alright, and then write the name is profile. Okay, and save. When you make it, then you take a picture. Okay, take a picture and send in a group line group. Okay, okay, this was your activity 1.7 and 1.8. Okay, so this is how we can open Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on Windows, you can see, and then you can see PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint presentation software. Click here. Alright, and it's open. Okay. Alright, so here you can make the program, the presentation, you can put the pictures here, and then you can describe about the picture. Alright, use the PowerPoint to describe and take a picture and send to me on line group. Alright. Okay, and 1.9 is the graphic program. Draw a picture of animal that you like, print out, and your work is below. So in this one you have to draw the picture of animal. Alright, draw the picture of animal, put the color you have to use. This is how we can open paint. Alright, click here and write P-A-I. Okay, you can see this paint. Alright, click here, okay, open. Alright, so now you can draw anything on it. Like if you want to to draw house. You can draw anything on it. Alright. Okay. Okay, this is how you draw. And then after that you close the program, you save the program, and you write the name of program is drawing or presentation. Okay, activity 1.9, and then your favorite animal name, just write here. You like it because why do you like this animal? Okay, then you have to write here. Okay, and the last is unit test. Alright, this is going to be your last homework, okay, of this week. So which one is correct? Just circle. Alright, the correct answer should be circle. Alright, so number one, we have a question is, which are all the digital devices? Which are the all digital devices? Pencil is a digital device? No. CD is a digital device, but pencil is not. Alright, oh, this one no. B, radio and television is a digital device, and this is also a digital device. So circle this one is correct. C is washing machine, and ruler is not a digital device, so C is wrong. Alright, and number two we have is, which digital device acts like the human brain? The human brain, like this digital device. Which digital device acts like a human brain? Alright, it's monitor. You look, you see mouse is a pointer. If you have to point anything you want to click on computer. And C is CPU, is the brain of computer. Alright, so it's act like a human brain. And number three which we have is, which is not a device we use to put in data? Which is not a device we use to put in data? Alright, so which thing we don't use to put data into computer? Alright, keyboard, we write the data. Speaker, we listen, we don't write, we don't put anything. And C is mouse, is we click this data. Okay, so B is the correct answer, because speaker we don't use to data processing. Alright, and number four we have, if we want to communicate with others, which digital device should we use? Alright, if we want to talk with friends, which one we use? Okay, do we use number one, do we use cell phone to talk with friends? Yes, yeah, of course. Do we use this MP3 player? Do we use this? No. Do we use camera to talk with somebody? No. So the correct is A. And number five we have is, which digital device can show picture? Show the picture. We want to see the picture. Which one? This A is calculator. We don't see the picture in this. B, monitor. We can see the picture on it, right? So B is the correct answer. And C is flash drive. I will tell you about this later. 6. As a student, which is the best way to use a computer for? What is the best way of using computer? What is the best thing computer can do? Number one is watching movie on computer is the best thing. B, listening to music is the best thing. Or C, searching for information. Searching information on Google. Open Google and check for data, find out, get to know the search, some information about technology and other things. This is the best thing, right? Watching movie is not good. Listening to music is not good. C, watching and searching the information on computer. This is the best use of computer. Alright, I hope you are doing the same. Number 7 we have is which is a good side of a computer processing program. Which side of it is a good program? Okay, so A, we have help us calculate faster. Number 1, help calculate us for faster. Okay, yeah, of course it is. Help us present better. Help us to present so that we can see data very well. Alright. C, help us make documents easier. So this is more better than other things. So in word processing, what we do, we have document. We don't have any kind of calculation or presentation. We have document. Document is like a paper. Like if you want to write something, a document for anyone, so it make it easy for us to create a document. All right. Which program do we use for drawing? Okay. Number A, Microsoft Paint. Alright, you remember painting? I told you painting, you have to draw, use paint application and draw it. Okay, so A is the correct answer. And number 9, if we want to make a presentation, which program we gonna use? Presentation program. Remember this? Which one is that? Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. So the correct answer is PowerPoint. Alright. Alright. Number 10. Which makes us to lose a file if the power was out while we are working on? We did not save the file we were working on. So if we shut down computer or if we click the power button and what we are working on the file cannot save, why? And we lose the data. Why? Because we don't save the file. So the correct answer is we did not save the file we were working on. Alright, so this is the correct answer. Okay, now the part 2 is we have completed the following. Look at each device, write down its name, roles correctly. So as you can see, this is a keyboard. So name is keyboard, role. Put data info into computer by typing. We type the data. All right, with keyboard. 2, monitor. What is its role? Role is shows data in the form of text and picture. It show us, we can see the picture on it and see the data on it. All right. Number 3, we have a mouse. All right, its name is mouse and role is help us to point out, choose the data on computer screen to make the computer work. All right. And number 4, okay, and number 2, we have study the situation and tick the correct answer. Look, again, what is the science homework again? Make a report about living things. Okay, what are the living things? Living things, anything that can breathe in, anything, eat something. Okay, anything who can see, who can move. All right, it's a living thing. Okay, so which program they use to make a report? You can choose the program to make a report is number 1, word processing system, processing program, and number 2 is graphic program. All right, which program should they use to make picture for their report? Picture, drawing a picture is graphic program. All right. Enough for today. I know today's lecture was pretty long because the last week and this week we had to join the homework together and the lecture was pretty long. I'm sorry about that. and I hope you can finish your homework, as I know I am expecting from you a lot, and I hope you will finish it, and best of luck, and thank you so much. Bye bye.